I'm now moving ahead. Arthebhyascha paramanaha. Subtler than this, subtle sense object is the mind. Well, why mind? One portion of the mind has become flower. One portion of the mind is a very broader term. Mind is a very broader term, like with a big ocean called mind, and some waves have become subtle sense object. And therefore, mind is more pervasive than this subtle sense object. Got it? Mind is a big mind, and hundreds of thoughts are there. Not all the time settles up. Mind thought is coming that what will happen tomorrow. Thought is coming after this course, where will I go? It will be difficult for me to adjust in the house. When after the course is over, when I'll go back, so I think there should be some bidai, etc. But bidai. Well, if somebody feels like crying, etc., I feel I will cry when I'll go back from here. I don't know how will I adjust in the home, a new work environment, college. I won't like at all. What you won't like? The home, college, such a nice environment, classes there. All of a sudden, you will go away on 17. I think vacuum will come. Achha? So we are removing all the vacuum cleaners from the home because already I'll be bringing a vacuum. So I think this mind is well, is where your mind goes. This thought comes that what will I do after 16? How will I adjust to the new environment? Going to college, work, and all of a sudden, no text, no notes, nothing, no satsang, nothing. I'll be on a totally different world altogether. I think it will take time for me to adjust. Anyway, please tell about first the mana. So this, देखो ये mind है, but this is not a sense object. What you just thought, what will happen on sentient, this was not a sense object. So subtle sense object is less pervasive than the mind, and therefore mind is more pervasive and mind is closer to the self than the subtle sense object. And therefore it is written arthebhyascha param mana. Param means superior. Okay. I am understanding that. I think I am understanding it too well. Next point comes manasastu para buddhihi. Acha. Mind is made out of subtle sense object. Mind is made out of tanmatra. Okay. Now, superior than mind is the intellect. How come? Because intellect has mind and sense mind. Why mind is inferior than the intellect? Because intellect has a controlling power. All the material cause of the mind and intellect is same. Material cause of the mind and intellect is same. What is the material cause of the mind? Material cause of the mind is subtle sense object. And what is buddhi then? Buddhi and mind, they are not intrinsically different. They are functionally different. What do you mean by that? One, milk you make, and you keep on making a thick milk. You keep it on the stove, and you can make it thick milk, so thick that it's difficult to move your ladle also. Okay, slowly. Initially you will go like that, later on like that, later like that. So you have made the milk. It has become now khova. Mava what? What you call it? Huh? What do you call it? Huh? Condensed means more condensed than condensed. Now from that you can make some mithai also. You can make some barfi also. You take it and you cut that barfi like that. You can press that from other thing. You can make from that some kind of other sweet peda also, or gulab jamun also you can make. So gulab jamun and this barfi is not intrinsically different. It is little functionally different. Okay. So both have intrinsic cause milk only. Similarly, buddhi and mind both have intrinsic material cause subtle elements that has made it. Subtle element has made it. What is the difference then? Buddhi is a controller and mind is controlled. Remember yesterday, decider I said. So intellect is a controller. Get up early in the morning. Early in the morning, yes. Early in the morning you should get up. And when you get up, see your palms and say Karagre Vaste Lakshmi Karmule Saraswati Karmadhe Tu Govindam Prabhate Kardarshanam. Somebody else's palm or your palm? Your palm, foolish person. Your palm you see. How can you take somebody else's palm? So your palm you see. Only which portion to see? No. Karagre Vaste, when you are seeing, so you see the top portion. Kar Mule Saraswati. Kar Madhe Tu Govindam. So see like that. One is so sleepy I at that time. Who made this prayer? Because at that time I'm so sleepy I can't see everything in that time prayer. When you get up, no, you should be wide awake. Yes. Then before you put the feet on the earth, you say Samudravasne Devi Parvatstan Mandale Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam Patsparsham Chamasam. So you say that I'm asking forgiveness. Well, supposing I don't ask, then what will happen? Then you will be placed where earthquake comes, okay? You will go in Nepal side, Japan, or you will not get a land to stay. Always you will be in some complex with a complex area. So you will never get a good house property. Oh my God! Then what is the prayer? Please tell me. So this Buddhi has said that. Acha, who will chant? Vani. And don't chant it mentally. Don't do all this mentally. You have to physically chant it. Mentally don't chant, because mental chanting is quite laziness. You don't know what person is chanting. Physically you should hear it. So who is implementer? Now mind is the one. So mind is following the dictates, and therefore our intellect is more subtler than the mind. I hope this point must be clear. Well, very clear. Very clear. Achha, just a small point. Earth was also made of subtle element and mind is also made of subtle element. What is the difference between two? Difference between two is that earth means that subtle element which has been brought from the world by perception. And in general, subtle element is the mind. I did not understand. Please say again. Like this, I see flower. So automatically there is a shape of flower in the mind. This is artha. But when I think also, there are mind is material cause of the mind is the subtle element. Because you can hear, you can talk, everything can happen in the mind. It is made out of apanchikrit panchmahabhut. So artha is the one which you see here from the world which comes in your mind. And only mind is the one which is sankalp vikalpatmak. Shall I go, not go? This is the nature of mind. It coins option. And what is the nature of buddhi? Bolo? Nischayatmika. I have to go. I have to go. Should I take bath or not? No, but you have last week you took bath. Hmm? And today is Friday. Friday you take bath. So today is Friday. I think you should take bath. Okay, thank you for your good guidance. Yes. So this is called this mind. Mind coins options, and intellect endorses it. And option coining is very important. Otherwise, you can't make iPhone. Those who have to make iPhone, they think what features can we add something or not? Will increase the resolution of the camera, increase the memory also. Let it be have inbuilt memory. You don't have to put chip from outside. That memory chip 64K, you don't have to put. It is inbuilt 128K. Well, make it 500K. Huh? 500K GB. Put 500 GB. 500 GB? How is it possible? But let us see how is it possible. Luck job hai. Let bring all the engineers, top people in the world. Put his mind. Now this is the attraction now. They will bring a mobile also. Well, what is? Well, this mobile is 500 GB. Earlier had only 64 GB. यही बिक रहा है वो 500 GB आने वाला है. So this mobile is there. It can measure how much you run, how much you walk. They are thinking of new. Surely mobile will come which will tell about the blood pressure also, pulse rate also. Slowly a day will come, mobile will come, whether you have food has been digested or not. So, so they are they are trying to bring out new versions. So that will be mobile 9 plus 10, 10 plus iPhone. How much it has gone up to? iPhone 10 and Samsung 10 हो गया 10 हो गया. मैं अच्छा बताना भाई दिखाना. So that is the 10 आ गया. अब वही कुछ कर रहे हैं उसी में. They are doing something to create more sale. It sells like a hot cake. Who coined this? Is it possible? Not possible. Possible? Not possible. Who? Mind. Intellect said no, it is possible. Let me. How is it possible? Know the nature of all these things. And intellect is controller of the mind. No, this thought you are not going to think on this topic anymore. Okay. You are not going to eat this anymore. Finish. No, but little I can. No, little will become more also. What is this? No, enough. No more. This thing will chips over. Chips is only in the mobile and in the electronic gadget. No chips now. No, for 1 week no chips. This is a punishment to you. Why? Why you got a plate? Every day will get a plate. One thing in food you have to leave. This way one day no food will be there. No, but this is the way you will realize that. Who is saying? Intellect is saying. Chalo, go do the chanting. Do the Sanskrit classes. Chalo, start writing the notes. Again I have to write the notes every day. This notes writing is too big. Oh my God. Let me see what is there. Who is saying that? Intellect. If I don't feel like doing, you feel or not, you have to submit the notes. Otherwise, unnecessarily problem. Don't invite problems. Many problems are already there. Don't invite new problems. Okay. But how will Swamiji know that? No, he will find it out. And Amika keeps a record. Oh my God. She keeps a record of every. So if anybody is not giving, yes, day will be absent. Oh my God. It should have been written in the do's and don'ts also. Anyway. Intellect is forcing. Therefore, controller is always superior than the controlled. And therefore, controller intellect is more, although both have same intrinsic material. Got my point? Both have same intrinsic material. Now, Achha, how mind is superior than artha? How mind is superior? Object is there. If mind doesn't want, it won't see. I won't want to see. Close your eyes. I don't want to hear. If your mind is not there, you are sitting here, but in between mind goes also. It goes for some ride. You are sitting here, seeing me, because eyes you cannot take out. If you take our eyes, I'll catch you. So, you are seeing me, but mind has gone. Anything, my mind free, right? Nobody is seeing where mind chala ja raha hai, dekho iska mind kahan ja raha hai. If anybody can see, then it is very embarrassing where mind is going. But good things are something you do, nobody knows it. A mind has gone now. Where mind has gone? Arey, I'm hungry because I just took little poha and I did not take bread today. So I'm very hungry. Let the class be over. I think some poha must be remaining. I like the poha. If they can keep some poha for lunch, it will be good. इंद्रियेभ्य परायर्ताः अर्थेभ्यश्च परम पोहा. Sorry, in अर्थेभ्यश्च परम मनः. So, there the mind is going. So, it is up to the mind to allow the outer sense organ to be reflected in the mind as a subtle sense object. ध्यान देना, this mantra is not that simple. फिर से बोल देते हैं. It is up to the mind to allow the outer sense object to come in my mind as a subtle sense object. And therefore mind is superior to artha. But it is up to the buddhi whether to allow the mind to do or not. And therefore buddhi is superior than the mind. देखो, controller-control relation is there between artha and manah and buddhi. Very good, very good. I think I'm understanding. Manasastu para buddhi. Now go ahead. Buddhehe atma mahan parah. Mahan atma, and we will be like this. Please see the students. Mahanatma buddhehe parah bhavati. Mahanatma. What was Mahanatma? What was Mahanatma? Hiranyagarbha. Keep yourself awake. Awake. Well, what is Hiranyagarbha? Don't ask this question, please. Please explain. You know, I forget. I don't know. I'm getting up very early, therefore I forget. Getting up early influences my day's memory also. When I don't sleep properly, my memory is. I think I'm losing my memory. No, sometimes if you forget simple things, then this will be. I'm losing my memory. I think this worm will enter. I think I'm losing my memory. I think bhul ja rahe hain. I don't know what is happening. I'm forgetting small things. Now Hiranyagarbha, I'll come back to it. I'll explain that. I had told one day what was Hiranyagarbha, if you remember, that we have anything has to go through mentation. Meditation? Mentation. Mentation. What is mentation? It has to come at a thought level. Like before you came to the course, you had a thought of the course. I will go there, let me get my shirts ready, let me get my things ready, let me pack. I don't know who will be the room partner, whether I'll be alone or not. How will I wash my clothes, etc. So this is mentation going on. What will happen? What are the schedule? What time, what will happen? What class will happen? What time? This is all happening in your mini Hiranyagarbha. Before you came. Swami will take all the classes. Yes. He will not be tired. No. So this is mentation. Then you came. Who will drop me? Somebody will drop me. Many people already drop you in life. So is mentation. When whole world was made, grossified, there was one big mind who thought sun here, moon here, earth here, planets here, this jiva's here, this jiva is in America, this jiva's first birth, second birth, third birth, fourth birth, fifth birth. Whole Srishti was ready at the mind level. The possessor of that mental world is called H.G. Hiranyagarbha. Oh, wow, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, wait, let me complete. But it has the power. What power? It can convert the concept into concrete without action. It has the power to convert the concept into concrete without action. That is called Ishwar. Generally, when we do, supposing I think, let me purchase some shirt from the market. So concept has come. I have to do an action to go to the market. But regarding this Hiranyagarbha, no physical action. It can convert like that. Yes, smarana matrena. This is Hiranyagarbha. Buddhi. And therefore, from that cosmic intellect is your small intellect. Your small intellect, what you are catching, you are identified one small microscopic intellect. That is I called my buddhi. But I don't know the Hiranyagarbha. No. But I am the part of it. Yes. How come I don't know the whole? That is because you don't have so much of power in yourself. But my mind is already connected to the total mind. Yes. Acha. Right now also. So this mind is actually this mind is also a small part of Hiranyagarbha. Yes. If your mind is very pure, you can see bigger minds also. Therefore, you can see what is happening in the Hiranyagarbha. Little, not totally. Totally, you cannot see because it is infinite. You can see. I think tomorrow. This is how seeds develop an insight. I think tomorrow there will be some kind of bad news this person is to get. Uriya Baba used to go. He said, this person, one person went. He said, my wife has died. Young person, 35, 38. He said, what are you doing now? He was somewhere priest. He said, I'm going Durga Saptati. He said, why? He said, I'm doing that so that I can marry. I want to go. Patnim cha manoramam dehi. है ना उसमें क्या है? So, that Samput, he was using that. Baba said, I said, what? Well, I want to marry. Therefore, he said, don't marry. Within 2 years, don't marry. Baba is stopping me from marrying. I'm so young, one wife has died. So what? Don't marry for 2 years. After 2 years, if 2 years pass, then you can marry. But don't marry for 2 years. My strict, he passed away in 2 years. ऐसा दिख जाता है. Exactly, you could see that this thought already is in Hiranyagarbha. Already the thought of death is already traveling now. So he can easily see that this is the thought. This is this last 2 years he will be there. ऐसे बोल देते हैं. So more you do sadhana, so your more microcosmic mind will merge little. Expansion will be there. And more you are selfish, more your mind will be constricted to one small mind only, which will be losing its power. So what is the sadhana? Sadhana is getting power, getting jnana from the macrocosmic Hiranyagarbha mind. You are delimiting yourself. You are deconditioning yourself. That is called Hiranyagarbha. More a selfless person is there, more like the whole protects the part. Similarly, Hiranyagarbha will protect that person. And more you are against the laws of the total mind, more it will try to crush it. If this hand misbehaves with me, I'll treat it, and if it gives me lot of pain, I'll not hesitate to cut that if it is gangrene or something like that. So this is the total mind is there. So total mind, what it has? It has holding power, and it has power of doing anything, power of knowledge, power of acting, and power of desiring. Ichha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Gyan Shakti. All Shaktis are in this Hiranyagarbha. Now more pervasive than the individual buddhi is the cosmic buddhi. Okay. So Mahan Atma Buddhehe Parabhavati. Parabhavati. This is the Anvay here. Is it okay? So pervasiveness is there, and it is more closer to the self also. Why it is closer to the self? Because more pervasive will be more closer to the bigger self. That means hello, one small point. One small point. Hiranyagarbha is in the table also. Here also. Because like your thought pervades the body, so that total mind must be pervading the sun, moon, everywhere else. बोले वाह, बिल्कुल ठीक. Clear? Huh? Here also Hiranyagarbha. In my book also Hiranyagarbha is there, yes. Therefore you offer pranam to anything. Because you are offering pranam to the boss. I told you no, that we don't offer the pranam to the external sun, but who is the holder of that? One day I had told you, if you remember. Well, yes. Next point. This 10th verse is over. Oh, what is 11th verse? Mahataf param avyaktam avyaktat purushah parah पुरुषान्न परम किंचित सा काष्ठा सा परागति महतः परम अव्यक्तम अव्यक्तात् पुरुषः परः पुरुषान्न परम किंचित सा काष्ठा सा परागति. Now we are on the last lap of this journey. What is this journey? Now get my point. My thoughts are coming from impression. Anybody will think as per his impression only. Impression is there. Okay? Somebody says, she is my wife. Moment she see, supposing husband sees the wife somewhere. बोले अरे you are here. Moment, what is it? Well, my wife. Where my wife? कहाँ से? Thought came from impression. Every thought comes. It's not that you have no impression and still thought is coming. It's not possible. I told you, no, you can't speak Russian because no impression of Russian language. Somebody asked me that make idiyappam. What? Idiyappam. You know idiyappam? No. It is the mixture of idli and appam. ऐसा है क्या? नहीं. How do you make idiyappam? I don't know all these things. I don't know. You know? You don't know. Idiyappam. पता है क्या? राइस का होता है. हाँ? अच्छा. कैसे बनता है? Okay. So immediately impression gave the thought. But in my mind no impression was there. No thought is coming. Make hot dog. I am yet confused what is hot dog and what is burger. Both are same. Burger is between two bun. You put something. That is a set. That is burger. What is hot dog? Same thing in long roll, but same concept. Okay, please show me. I have no idea how to make the bun, how to make all this. I have no idea. Impression is not there now. Where impression is not there, thought won't be there. If Hiranyagarbha is there, there must be big impression behind that. That impression from which all thoughts come of the previous Srishti, this Srishti, this is called Avyakt, Prakriti or Maya. Unmanifest, Prakriti or Maya. Here it is said Avyaktam. And this Avyakt will be more superior than the Hiranyagarbha, because your impression controls your thought. This is why people don't change. People don't change. Why? Impression is so much, you cannot change. This person is not changing. He's same. So many times I explained he's same. Why? Impression is, his thought can't change. Why? Impression is so much about that. Gita has said, Sadrisham cheshtate swasyaha. अरे दिल से बोलो यार, ऐसी क्या बात. So sadrisham cheshtate swasyaha prakriter jnanvan api prakritim yanti bhutani nigraha kim karashyati. You keep on saying, do this, don't do that, do this, don't. Impression is so powerful. Chhodega. So impression is controlling the thought. Yes. Therefore the habits don't change so easily. Very difficult. Very difficult. Very difficult. Habit changing. Yes. If anger is in your habit, it won't change. Difficult. Very difficult. After 40, 50 years of sadhana, you will find my anger has not changed too much. If attachment is a habit, it won't change. Ego is in the habit, it won't change. Anything you'll do, ego will come. Why he saw like me like that? When he could have seen me straight, why he did like this? Why when I was sitting here, why he sat here? Why he took my table? No, how did you know that is your table? I had put one dot there. Where was the dot? That dot I had put. The dot should be put on the head, not on the table, of course. But why he took away my table? I don't like this person. I curse him. But after cursing, he's progressing more. So, better don't curse. I think it is converting into blessing something. So don't curse now. Some people have calm in their nature. Some people have laziness. Some people have jealousies. Some have bhakti. अब तुलसीदास impression was different. सबका थोड़ी ना किया, उनको भी गुस्सा आता था. Many saints are there, they never get angry also. Their record is there, they never get angry. पता नहीं क्या impression. So combined impression is called as avyakt. So avyakt is more pervasive than the Hiranyagarbha. भाष्य देख लो थोड़ा. व्यक्तम सर्वस्य जगतः बीजभूतम अव्याकृत नाम रूप सतत्वम सर्व कार्य कारण शक्ति समाहार रूपम अव्यक्ताकाशादि नाम वाच्यम परमात्मनि ओतप्रोत भावेन. ये अव्यक्त है. That means it is always pervading by that maya. Material cause is that. That is the cause of everything. But go ahead now. What? Go ahead. This morning I said morning I said this class. Power cannot be without consciousness. Impression cannot be without consciousness. This table doesn't have impression. Table doesn't have my impression is. If I have impression, that means there should be somebody on whom impression has to be there. Impression is a very good word, by the way. I don't know where from this word have come. Supposing, I take a paint and put like this, and taint is there. With the paint, I create a taint. So now I will say it has got impression. This tablecloth has an impression. So impression is possible on something. substratum should be there for an impression, and the consciousness alone can have impression. What I was saying, power, Maya, in the morning is called Avyakt, is called Prakriti. 3 names we got. So what do you mean to say? I mean to say, behind the impression is the consciousness. Which consciousness is it? Nirgun Nirakar Brahma or Sagun Nirakar Brahma or Sagun Sakar Brahma? This consciousness is which one? NNB or SNB or SSB? Huh? NNB. रुको 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 रुको. You said when 7 properties of consciousness were mentioned from 18th verse, you said consciousness is all pervading and consciousness does not have part also. I mean, modifying. Something which is all pervading, on that, how can something else come up? When something is all, something can come up, hum bhi rahe, tum bhi raho, both are there. On my hand, this flower can be there. But on the space, how can the flower be put? Something other than that, nothing else can be there. You are absolutely right. Nothing else is there other than. Therefore, I use the word Maya. It is appearing on that. And therefore, this pyramid which is there, which pyramid? Avyakta, Hiranyagarbha, Buddhi, Man, Arthaha, then sense organ, then outer sense object. All are nothing but consciousness only. Because all pervasive, nothing can be other than that. And that is mentioned here by the word Purush. This is not Stri Purush. Purush means Purnatvat. That which is pervading all. Well, 1 minute. My consciousness, which is behind my impression, and that consciousness which is behind the cosmic impression, both are same and different. My dear, how can both be different? How can there be 2 all-pervasives? Let it be 2 all-pervasive be there. What problem you have? If 2 all-pervasive will be there, one will limit another one. Therefore, if one will limit, so it will make other less pervasive. Therefore, there cannot be 2 all-pervasive. Only 1 all-pervasive can be there. And therefore, that which pervades the whole world and apart from that, and this I, both are one. Means I am not in the body. No way. That already has been ruled out much earlier. So, Sarva Karana Roop Mayayaha Karanam Adhisthanaha. This is the cause of Maya. It is the substratum of the cause of the world called Maya. What? Substratum of the cause of the world called Maya. And therefore it is said, Mahata Param Avyaktam Avyaktat Purushah Paraha. So therefore, this Purush is superior than the total impression called Maya also. This is most pervasive. Well, something else is there, nothing else. Purushanna Param Kinchita. There is nothing else other than Sakashtha. Sakashtha means it is the climax, pinnacle, apex. Saparagatihi, that is the greatest destination. Thank God it got over. Nothing is there after that. Nothing. चलते रहते इन लोग. सर दर्द होने लगता है. I feel headache is there. I hope you have got very beautiful mantras are there. Now you see, I told you they are going to take from the grossest to the subtlest. Indriyani, then Arthaha, then Manaha, then Buddhihi, then cosmic Buddhi called Hiranyagarbha, then Avyakt, and then ultimately, ऐसे पकड़ के, you are that. What? That self which is all pervading the Anant Brahmand. You are that self which pervades hundreds of cosmoses. Saparagati. Not this body you. Don't make confusion. Otherwise, think, I'm very small. How can I pervade? No, no, no. Not this body. This body is only a speck. That consciousness is the one which pervades all. These two mantras are very beautiful. You need to attend it. More we will see later on.